Do you want to know how your favorite YouTubers make irresistible thumbnails that the viewers can't help but click time and time again? In this video I'll show you how you can get up to 30% click-through rate every single video you upload on the damn platform. Firstly, every great thumbnail needs to create curiosity and make the viewer wonder what will be in the video. Ideally, the thumbnail should provide 3 interesting questions to the viewer. If we take a look at Mr. Beast's thumbnail as an example, we can see that it creates many interesting questions. Why is a grizzly bear chasing him? Why is he in the wild? For how many days did he stay there? And many more questions. Well, Mr. Beast's thumbnails are made by professionals, as he said that he spends around 10 grand on each thumbnail he makes. But you, as a small creator, should focus on improving 1% every single thumbnail that you make, and you'll see that your CTR will gradually go through the roof. Don't believe me? You can study every single high-converting thumbnail on YouTube, and they all have this in common. Secondly, a great thumbnail should give the viewer a rough idea of what to expect from a video. Ideally, a viewer should be able to guess the title of the video just by looking at the thumbnail. For example, in Mr. Beast's case, we can see that the bear is chasing him and he is in the jungle, so we can assume that the video will be about surviving in the wild for a certain amount of days. And lastly, do not try to make a perfect thumbnail that has crazy visual effects and many elements. When making thumbnails, simplicity is key. As long as the thumbnail gives the viewer a reason to watch and creates curiosity within him, the thumbnail can be considered a success. Great, you now know how to make a irresistible thumbnail that will get the clicks, but you have another problem. If the video idea is trash, then nobody will see the thumbnail. And that's why I made another video which explained how to come up with killer video ideas to blow up your channel.